How to log in or sign in to ChatGPT account. So if you want to log in or sign into your ChatGPT account, then first you need to open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. And once you've opened, now you need to go for the search, and then you need to search for ChatGPT. Once you've searched for ChatGPT, you will have this kind of interface where you need to simply go for the first, which is chat.openai.com. And here it will ask you to log in. So you need to simply tap on login. Once you tap on login, it will ask you to enter your email address that you have used while creating your account. So if you want to log into your ChatGPT account, then you need to simply enter your email address which you have used to create your account. So enter your email address and you need to enter your password. Once you enter your password, tap on continue. And once you tap on continue, if your information is correct, then it will log you into your ChatGPT account. So that's how you can log in or sign into your ChatGPT account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.